Right, now I am going to configure a virus server to distribute virus guard from server machine to client computers. Right, I open my computer and I have put the CD here. Right, Norton antivirus corporate edition. Right, okay. So you see here, not like a normal virus guard, here you get two options. First I am going to here install Symantec antivirus. There you get two options here, deploy antivirus for client, deploy antivirus server. So first you have to install deploy antivirus server. Then this server operating system machine become virus server. Right, because we are going to distribute from here. Install, next, then you need to agree, next. So we are making this as a server. Next, here, then we are adding this machine here, then this machine become the server. Right, next, then it will ask you to create actually to protect your server. Right, so here you can just give the password, but to remember, when you are uninstalling this, you have to give the original password. Normally they will give with this virus software. Next. Now we are installing actually server version. So then once you complete the server installation, you have to install the virus guard again to this same machine and you select client. Then it will give you an option to browse the network and connect all required clients under this server. So you can select your client computer and you can add it under this server. Then you can distribute the client version to all clients. So then you go to client computers and check the virus guard will be installed in client machine. So very simple, only you have to remember two steps. First you select a machine with server operating system, install the server version and add that machine as a server. Then you install the client version to same machine. While installing, it will provide you option to browse the network and add required client under this server. So after adding, you select next and install, then client version will get installed to all client machine under the server. Right, now here it is installing. Still not completed, but the client installation will be very fast. The server version only get little time. Right, so take little time till it the getting the install. I will explain what we are going to do next. Next we are going to do is printer management. Actually the printer management, nothing to learn there, nothing new. Right, you know how to provide security and share permission for folder. The same way you can provide security and share permission for printers. Right, its security and share permission is okay similar to folder, only you will be getting some additional options like priority, spooling option, redirecting, pooling, likewise some additional option. Other than that, providing security and sharing similar to folder, security and share permission, right? So while this is just getting installed, I am just reminding you, then you can go back and see how to provide security permission and share permission for folders. Then you can provide security and share permission for printers as well. Only we have to consider some additional option in printer properties. Right, now it is finished, so you select close. Right, it's completed the server version. So again you click here, the same CD. It's opening. Then you select install Symantec antivirus. Here you see, earlier we selected this one, server. Now deploy antivirus client to these client's operating system machines. Right? Then you select. Next, default location to install, right? Now you see here it will give you the option to browse this network. Expand it. Your network is NTWK. Here there are two members. This machine is the server, is showing with this mark. This machine is the server, and these are two clients. So whomever the clients you want, you can add it under this server. You highlight this server and highlight this, then you say add. Then that machine will be added here. Likewise, even if 10 machines are there, you can add all 10 machines. Right? Then you say finish. Now here I have just added for this example only one machine. Right? If you wish, you can add other machines as well. Because this machine, lot of softwares running, I have to see whether the capacity is okay enough. Otherwise I can select the other machine. Alright, PC2, I think here plenty of things added, get very slow, so I will select this machine, right? PC2, whatever the machine. If you want, you can add all, right? So I will just select next, the finish. It will get installed to now PC2 here. If you add 10 machines, it will get installed to all 10 machines. Now it takes like 2 to 3 minutes to get enabled in client computer. So after 2-3 minutes, so go and check here in client computer, you will get the client version. Taking little time. Right, in this lab, all machines packed with software. Right, the Nero, that, these, some, the 3D software. Likewise, because certain versions won't go with certain versions. Right, otherwise normally it don't take this much time. The client computers quickly get the install. So it's taking the little time, right? Some lot of software put here. Fail, press the button to view the error. So here some problems occur. This you may experience this problem. Specified network name is no longer available, PC2. So what is the problem here? Right, they are telling the network name is not available. How come that? It is locked down. Right, we'll try once again. Right, done. Then we'll come back again. Okay. Symantec, install Symantec antivirus. Deploy antivirus client. Next. So I will add other machine also. Here the capacity is not enough because that machine get very slow. That's what I didn't add it. So we'll put both and see. Then at least can see the one get installed. Any problems comes. Fine. Now fine. This machine got installed. Done. Problem is with the other machine. Now at least we can see in one machine the virus guard will be installed. So you no need to worry why this type of problem comes. What you have to do is you go to PC2 and you put PC2 to work group, and then again you connect PC2 to domain. So these things can happen. Suddenly it won't be able to initialize properly. Then you have to reinitialize it. Put this machine back to work group and then again connect to domain. That is the normal procedure you have to follow. Any domain, okay, the problem comes with the client machine, so you need to do this. Right, here it says again error. You see here the error message here. The specified network name is no longer available. These things can happen. Right, just these things can happen. So you go to PC2, put it to work group, and then you put it back to domain. That is the normal way. Right, now I will select here done. At least we can see this is actually the name also something ABC03A some machine. So you put done and we'll go to client computer now, and here we'll log on and check it. Go to start, program, take little time. Here Symantec client security got installed. Right, I'll show you this. Okay, the machine name. Right click my computer. Right click my computer, properties, computer name. Here this is the computer name, okay, ABC03 something blah blah blah. So we added that client under that server, therefore it is got installed. So very simple, only you have to remember two steps. First to install the server version and add the server, then you install the client version, browse the network, and you add all clients under that server. Sometimes when you add certain clients, these type of problems might occur. So what you have to do is you go to that client machine, put it back to work group, and again freshly add to domain. Sometimes for certain functions, sometimes that client machine will smoothly work for file and okay the printer sharing, but for this service it is not working. This can happen. So in that case what you have to do is you have to reconnect that machine to domain. Then it will reset all the settings, and then you can connect to your domain. Then that client will be fully configured as a member machine for your domain.